Let's get to this beautiful chive blossom infused vinegar.
These chive blossoms have been soaking in vinegar for 7 days. It's time to release the blossoms. What does a chive blossom infused in vinegar taste like? It tastes a lot like vinegar. That is not how I would recommend that you use these. If you want even a finer strain, filter it through a coffee filter. Pour this beautiful vinegar into a fancy glass jar. So in addition to the beautiful color, it has a light, mild onion flavor, perfect for any recipe that's calling for vinegar. Salad dressings, marinades, soups and stews. If it calls for vinegar, use your chive vinegar. Store it in a dark, dry place. Use a plastic lid to avoid corrosion and use within 6 months to take full advantage of that color.
Here's how I infuse those blossoms. Wash and pat dry, and then take those blossoms and stuff them into a clean jar. Then cover with hot, not boiling vinegar. I use white wine vinegar until covered. Press down to ensure no air bubbles and top up with remaining vinegar. Then let cool, then seal and store for 7 days.
Pretty darn easy. If you have more questions or need more details, check out my new herb guide, From Garden to Table, Everyday Cooking with Herbs.